Hey, what's up, guys? So traditionally, when you want to fasten something to metal, you use this. You either weld it, you TIG it, you MIG it, or you arc weld it. But sometimes you don't want to weld, or it just doesn't work out. So what can you do? Enter the Nutsert. This one's an Astro 1442. This is made to install Riveter inserts. So by simply drilling a hole, using this tool, you're able to bolt into a piece of square stock, flat stock, or round stock. It works out really well, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So check this out. This is the tool that you'll be wanting. I got the Astro Pneumatics version, but as you can see, for less than $100, you get the tool itself, you get 3 metric mandrels, you get 3 standard mandrels, and they give you a bag of different sizes to go with all the mandrels. First thing is determine what size bolt you're going to use, and then determine what size nutsert you're going to need. Second thing is go to the chart, figure out what size drill bit you'll be required to use, and then drill your hole. Then take your tool, stretch the arms out, take the nutsert, and you want to make sure that the flange end is pointing down. Screw it on the tool, couple of threads sticking out the top. Take your tool, arms out, extended as far as they go. Stick it in the hole that you've already drilled, and then close the arms. That's it. It is installed. Drop the arms back down, and on the end of your tool there's a knob. Turn that counterclockwise. Or if you've got the room, you can spin the whole thing. It's quicker. And there you go. There you go. It works on flat metal, it works on round metal, it works on square stock. If it's metal and you can drill a hole in it, it'll work with a nutsert. Because sometimes welding isn't what you need. Do you see what I'm saying? And this tool is well worth it. I bought this thing probably about 6 months ago. I found at least 5 different uses for it just on my vehicle alone. So there's that. I'll leave a link in the description to a place where you can find these, but there's a bunch of versions. I picked the Astro because I picked the Astro. Like I said, good to go, easy peasy. I'm out.